Hello, Professor Subrata Rath here. Taking you to introduce EduPlus Now organized and conducted training program along with Indian Statistical Institute Pune chapter, our unique data science course. The way data science have been introduced and being conducted across the world, we felt here we can contribute uniquely on some issues in data science. We have profiled the data science in three major areas: structured and unstructured data to be configured in a manner friendly with memory, speed as required, accuracy as required, all that data to be made amenable for data analytics using various data engineering platforms: SQL, Hadoop, MongoDB, Spark, Scala and the likes. Taking us engineered data using different tools: Python, R, Power BI, Advanced Excel. Prepared data will go for data analytics. 7 steps data analytics infrastructure what we have created for you. Data preparations, basic analytics, prescriptive analytics or modeling, descriptive analytics, and then predictive analytics. More than 40 types of different industries where we have used this data analytics concerns. We will be taking you to these varieties of exposures. So your knowledge in data science, experience in data science, internship projects, what you will be doing, soiling your hands in data science, will take that skill in varieties of exposures with adequate experience to be the most competitive authority in the science with the stamp of Indian Statistical Institutes to take you to EduPlus Now. Here I am to take your career in data science, to see the futures with our eyes. Thank you very much.